everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to reset password and recover account in ChatGPT. Logged out of your account, here's how to reset your ChatGPT password instantly. First of all, what you're going to do is, on the login page after you open your app, click on the forgot password and then enter your email, then click continue. After that, you're going to open the reset link in your inbox after you type in your email. Now if you do not see your code here, then check your spam or your trash, it might be inside there. After that, type in the code that you received in ChatGPT's verification code center. Then you will be logged in into your account, and that's it. Bonus tip, if you've signed up with Google Apple, you can't reset password, you must use that login method, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.